So far you've learned about the noise displacements, which is this one. But apart from this noise displacement, we have the chip, crack, ridge, and Voronoi displacement. These 5 nodes share some similar parameters. Let's have a look at these 5 noises. So this is the chip displacement. It looks like rocks or some kind of crystals. This is the crack displacement. This node produces the cracks that will cut into the landscape. And we have the ridge displacement. This looks somewhat like volcanic rocks or something like that. And we have the Voronoi displacement. Let's turn off the reverse. So this is the Voronoi displacement. It's a different type of rock. For the ridge and the Voronoi displacement, we have the option to reverse the noise to generate a different type of result. Alright, let's have a look at the parameters of these nodes. Let's have a look at the chip displacement first. So the chip displacement, we have this fractal step size, which is the ratio between the different fractal steps. And we have the randomness, which is the randomness of the generation. And we can increase the details to have more realistic looking rocks. There we go. So you see, this is a lot more like rock than, let's say, the noise texture. And let's have a look at the cracks. The crack displacement node shares many similarities with the other nodes, but it has these 2 extra parameters. This is the spread of the cracks and the smoothness of the cracks. So using this node, you can create some very interesting looking canyon or some kind of plateau mountain kind of stuff. Alright, and the ridge displacement, you can use this to create a volcanic kind of rock formation. You know, the lava that kind of solidify into rocks instead of crystallized rock like the chip displacement. And again, you can increase the details to have a more interesting looking rock formation. And finally, we have the Voronoi displacement, which shares pretty much the same parameters as the others. And again, you can increase the amount of details, and you can change the step, the size, the ratio of the steps. With that said, you don't actually have to use one single type of noise for your landscape. You can actually chain together multiple types of noise. For example, I can chain together all of these nodes like this, and I can just connect the wires over like so, and I will be able to utilize all of these noise to displace my landscape.